YouTube? It's your girl Lex, and today I got
Carleezy in the building.
What's up, man? J-Bo, man.
and we about to go on this little nature walk. You feel me? They never been on a nature walk, so you feel me? I gotta take them. Cause I told them to put their gym shoes on. Everybody got their gym shoes on.
Oh, that bookie lean back.
So y'all just need to watch out because there's snakes and stuff back here.
Nigga Jordan said there's bears in Ohio.
Huh?
Nigga Jordan said there's bears in Ohio.
Yeah, it's bears here. Bears out here. And little goats.
Goats?
Yeah. You haven't? Oh, okay. Yeah, it's nice. We about to have a nice little walk. I love it here. Huh?
That's what we need, huh?
Yeah. Y'all need this. Yeah. That picture I sent you.
What picture? You like a big?
I'll be back once we get to the fall. Where's Jordan? Oh my God, Jordan! What are you doing? What are you doing? I didn't really keep the camera on. So currently we're walking on the trail and it's like they're walking so slow. Like, look at all them behind me. Like, you would thought they were taking one little step by little step. Like,
Sit there and die?
if you run, you run. It just depends on who the fuck the
Hey,
slowest.
like, bears fast as fuck, though.
They really are.
They
Damn,
fast
are they?
as Motherfuckers, yeah.
Yeah, they big as fuck, but they fast.
Right. Dang. So we might just be fucked.
Bears fast as fuck.
You think we all could whoop a bear?
Yeah.
A black bear, yeah, for sure. Not a grizzly, though.
I don't think we would.
You don't think we could?
No, what the fuck? A bear?
All of us?
A bear.
There's a black bear?
What about a gorilla? What about a gorilla?
Nah.
Why your outfit look red in the sun? I mean, on the phone.
Huh?
Your outfit look red.
My outfit, I see it, too.
What the fuck?
It's weird.
Yeah.
It's like my shirt red.
Yeah. Whole outfit.
Oh, God, what the fuck?
And when you look back, it's black. That's funny. Huh? Y'all need to walk up. Just beautiful. The number one rule when you come down here, you have to like read the stuff first. But if y'all want to, y'all got to.
You said we gotta what?
Read to see what's going on before you go into the cave.
Hey, this is a cave we going to?
Yeah.
For real? What is
Yeah.
that?
Look, we gotta go down the steps. But I was just showing y'all this first. You gotta read it first to make sure y'all know what's going on.
I don't know.
And sometimes you see this when you walking down there. You see them.
That's what I want to see right now.
Yeah.
That's all the bullshit.
But do you see something else? You see them, right? But what else do you see? Do you see somebody else? You don't see nobody else in there?
Is it you?
You? No, him.
Oh, y'all seen him right here.
I didn't even see, bro.
Yeah. All right, so y'all don't want to read all that? Y'all just want to know. Y'all know what's going on? Yeah. But it's just a nice view, though. Look at this shit.
What they is? Junkie song?
Yeah. I know, right? Damn, they walk fast as fuck.
They already down there?
I guess. This shit gonna hurt your feet because you don't got shoes on. Hello. A dumbass. A dumbass. Why? Oh shit. Don't it? Woo! This is nice.
Hey, well, I'm the type of nigga to jump into this shit.
Okay? And it feels good as fuck right here. Damn. Woo! Shit. Hallelujah. Ah! Here we go. This man that went over there knowing you ain't supposed to be behind there. Like, come on, man. We trying to boogie ling. Go ahead. Now boogie ling bye. Now boogie ling bye. Hey. Everybody do that. This is gonna be the thumbnail picture.
Bruh. Hey, this is crazy shit, bro. Real shit. I ain't know. Bro, this shit, it do this for 24 hours, don't it?
If it's raining,
Yeah, river. Yeah, river.
well, it's not a river, nigga. It's the rain. And it accumulates from the top. We're gonna see at the top where the water is
So
at.
you telling me rain? Yeah, look how much water that is. Rain.
I swear to God, this shit is not doing it by itself.
You see how much is coming out though? Like,
Yeah. It's a little pond up there that stops where the rain was to go right there. Now you got me stuttering and shit, nigga. I know what the fuck I'm talking about.
Yes.
Stop playing. Fuck. This motherfucker is not like this every day. We can come here on another day when it ain't fucking raining and this shit gonna be dry as fuck.
Don't know water be coming down.
Don't know water come down. $20. Bitch. Alright. The fuck? $20, nigga. What the fuck? It's gonna be nothing. It's gonna be dry.
I thought waterfalls would go forever.
No. How can it go forever? It's not. It's from the rain. This is a real waterfall. You see how dirty the water is? This is a real waterfall. Done. Done. You ready? It's a lot of steps we gotta walk up. Getting by. Hey, 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 hey. So you really just got wet? You got your phone wet?
Yeah, nah.
That felt good.
That shit felt good.
Damn. I bet it do. I dare you. Carlin.
That shit feel good, man. I ain't gonna lie.
Damn. See a risk taker. In the Crocs. Put them in sports mode. Put them in sports mode. All right.
They're gonna go down there though.
It's natural water?
Yeah.
It feels good as hell.
You about to do it too?
Under, man.
Stay on trail. Stay off cliff. They breaking the rules. They broke the rules.
But he always say that shit though. But you give him hot ass water, he be like, I'm gonna die.
That's not good though.
I know.
Keep going. Just go. Keep going straight. That's why I said wear gym shoes. I told y'all it was fucking rocks and shit. Ah, shit. Oh! Ah! Ah! This nigga stupid! I can't! That was dumb as fuck! That nigga did the boogie ling! Damn! I heard you all the way up there.
Shit.
Do it again.
Shit! Alright, cool, I quit. Alright, I do it one more time. You're going in there.
You funny.
Oh
shit.
Oh shit! I mean, you funny as.
Oh shit. You said the nigga went to the boogie league.
I know somebody go all the way down there.
All the way down there?
Yeah,
That shit good. I ain't gonna lie.
do it.
It's nowhere to go.
It ain't. Where to stop at? Oh, okay. Dang. Go down there and see.
It's wet, dude.
Oh, it is. You just got wet.
Dirty water, though. That was clean water.
Oh, okay. I guess.
I did. I went back to already.
It's hot as bitch. Shit.
It's cold in here though.
It might be a bear in there back
A bear?
Or a cub or something.
You can go all the way back there.
We can?
Yeah. You allowed to go on the cliffs.
Scared?
Do it, Carlin. Do it for the culture.
The spider web on me or something, bro?
There's a spider on you.
Right
On your shoulder right there.
It do feel good as fuck, bro.
You do? Like air conditioner?
Yes. I ain't going all back there because it's like a puddle.
Oh, okay.
This is nasty.
Okay, Jordan? You almost fell? It's okay, buddy.
Got in the water, you do the curl.
Yep.
You do the,
Click. You can.
For what?
Are y'all going or not? I ain't going, but y'all can go. You going up there with him?
What's going on?
Y'all going inside the thing to go to the exit?
Exit.
Yeah.
That motherfucker.
I ain't going through that shit. He really gonna poop and lick up.
Fuck it. I ain't no bitch.
Alright.
Eyes too deep. Hell no.
Yeah, go ahead. Go right ahead, yo.
Deep, bro, too deep. Hell no. My feet gonna be soaking wet.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
Like,
dang.
There wasn't no water. It's all the most dirty water.
It's like a pound in that bitch.
That sucks.
Beers in there for sure.
I'm gonna something that bitch.
Probably.
Slenderman kid.
Well, they're too pussy to go in the thing. So.
I hold the camera. You going that
Oh,
motherfucker.
no. I'm just saying, y'all. I already know I'm a pussy, but I'm just talking about y'all pussy too.
Hey, I know I'm pussy.
Exactly.
Then I gotta be pussy. Yeah, pussy.
Hey, pussy.
Take my shoes off for that.
I ain't gonna lie, that shit good as fuck, bro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like a whole dinner 5-foot pool in that motherfucker.
Yeah, you niggas sitting in
Yeah.
there.
They scary, y'all. But look at the view. And look at this view. Cause what's up, a pretty view. Looking back. I'm hot. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. They walking slow. Like, I wonder if I walk fast and like beat them to the top. What they know? Fire yet? And like go to all the way to the top. Would they like know where they got them? Oh, I'm just rambling.
Workout.
I know, right? Who is hot? I'm sweating like a slave.
And you do all that shit by yourself.
Yeah.
That's fucking crazy.
What she say?
Good calling it out, kid.
These motherfuckers brand new.
Sure.
Why would you wear those?
Hey, I ain't know this was gonna mean you.
Nigga, I told you. What's going on a walk? Nigga wear brand new
Oh
shoes.
shit. These motherfuckers.
Cause
I'm trying to figure out how the fuck you know where to get back to the car.
Cause it's just a big ass circle.
Right now I'm lost.
Yeah, you are, but it's just a big ass circle. This is the yellow brick road. Oh fuck! She said we might pass out. Damn.
That shit is cold as hell. That's crazy. It's a beaver house. What's it called? A dam?
Mm-hmm.
That motherfucker busy.
Okay. You funny as fuck. That was dumb as
Bubbles and
fuck.
shit?
Damn, that was dumb as fuck. I'm crying, bruh. What the fuck?
Hella orgasm.
It is hella bubbles though. Like what the fuck? Right there though. In that spot. Like what the fuck? Fuck they got going on.
Now Pookie lean bow. I'm addicted to that shit, bro.
Cause that's all Funny Mike do.
Oh God. That nigga Funny Mike
Funny as fuck. He is. He funny as fuck, bruh. Yeah. He said he started saying that shit when he drunk as fuck. We have made it to the sun. We're here, guys.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shine, push my chain
Oh,
on
me,
me.
ha. Now boogieing back.
Oh, shit,
Now boogieing back. How you feeling on a scale from 1 to 10? How you feeling on the scale 1 to 10?
I'm gonna give it a motherfucking 10.
All right, period.
10.
I think that's everybody.
A 10.
Okay.
Are we almost there yet?
No. How you feeling on a 1 to 10?
I feel like a good 6-7.
6, 7? How you feeling on a 1 to 10?
Like, oh shit. Like a 8, 9.
How you feeling?
Like 8 now.
I feel good. I ain't gonna cap. I got my cousins with me. You feel me? We're enjoying the sun.
If everybody do the Pookie lean, I feel like a 10.
I'll do it, motherfucker. Right now. Fuck it.
Let's bust it.
All right, 1.
Hold on, though. Wait. It looks hard to float. For a long time.
We gotta go through that motherfucker?
Yeah, we got to.
Right in the sun.
Hold on, we about to do it. The Pookie link though. All right.
Enjoy this one while we can. I step up in the club with my mug on me.
I do it my own way. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit. And we doing it.
In my pockets, put your hands in the air, ain't as hard as see no Pookie link. Hey now,
And I hope
I know Jordan salty as fuck.
he's salty as fuck. How you feeling?
Tired as fuck. I gotta sit down.
Hey, bro. It's the one you're paying for the pool. Those are where you've been the pool.
Yeah. Where the fuck they at? Let's go! I'm gonna try to feed them a berry. Here. Natural berry.
I'm about to eat it. I don't give a fuck.
No, I'm just playing.
Oh,
You
I ate that
stupid as
motherfucker.
fuck. You dumb as fuck. He said he would have ate it, bruh.
Come on, the tree.
Yes. No. You know what kind of berries those is? Look at them. They look scary. Fuck no. Don't.
Please don't.
Please.
I'm eating it.
Don't. Damn! Shut up! What it tastes
I'll
like?
spit it out. I ain't
Oh,
gonna
you funny as fuck. We have finally made it to the fucking end. It seemed like it took us forever. Right? Forever. Forever. I'm tired after this, I ain't gonna lie. It's hot. We didn't walk for about a whole hour. Shit. Okay.
We got attacked by 5 bears. We seen 10 snakes. I think it's a tiger in that bitch.
And we finally
Time for us to
done.
go.
Say that. Y'all feeling good?
Yeah, shit just bought off. Hella weight off my body for
Okay.
real.
How you feeling? Hey, that's the end.
10 out of 10.
Recommend?
Bring a friend.
Hey, okay.